Hi, I'm here today with one of our amazing students, Joe Burrell. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here with us. And Joe has had an incredible story. So Joe now makes a full-time income online. He buys and sells websites. He started with us when he was just 23 years old, young whippersnapper. And now he does this full-time. He's a top-rated seller on Flipper. He has all three, only person in the world to have all three top badges on Flipper. And he's about to launch into a whole new phase of life. So we wanted to catch up with Joe before he jet sets off. So welcome, very welcome to you.
Thank you.
And I just wanted to start out because, you know, now you're full-time online making your income, but where did it all start? Where did you start out?
So when I first started with Matt and Liz, or before I went to the seminar, I was just working as a clerk, just a customer service for the government.
Mm-hmm.
And
But you had bigger goals than that, didn't you?
I did, yeah. I had a bit of savings saved up, and I just needed to place. I wanted to invest that in something, and I came across Matt and Liz, went to their seminar. And yeah, the rest is history.
So, well, you bought and sold. Actually, you bought sites within weeks of that first workshop, didn't you?
I did.
Which we didn't recommend.
No.
He did. He was supposed to study first, but
Yeah.
what was the thinking behind that?
Well, to be honest, I just wanted to show that I was committed. And to show my motivation and to impress Matt and Liz.
Yeah.
They'd accept me on
Well,
the course, and yeah.
You certainly did, Joe, and that's one of the things we really admire about you. You are just so focused and stuck to your goals. So what were your goals? When you first got into this world and started learning from us, what were your goals? Where did you want to get to?
Mm-hmm. I had two main goals when I first met Matt and Liz. First one was I wanted to quit my day job, and the second was I wanted $4,000 per month income, passive income from my investment portfolio.
Yeah, so Joe started out, he was buying websites. So how long did that take? What was the process there before you actually achieved those goals? How long did it take you to achieve those goals?
Well, quitting my day job took about 3 years.
Yeah. So that was when you were 26.
Yeah.
26 years old, he's quit his day job and off online, making all his income online. That's pretty cool. That's a really big achievement. And when was it? So you actually did that quite gradually, didn't you? So you didn't just suddenly turn around and go, bang, out I go. You were very strategic about that, weren't you?
Yes, I was. When I first started with Matt and Liz, I dropped back a day per week. So I was only working 4 days per week. And then slowly, I think the next year I dropped down to 3 days per week. And then again a little bit further before I actually quit. Luckily, working for the government, they made that nice and easy for me.
That's awesome. Yeah. So in the time it takes to do, I know I did a uni degree in 3 years, and I certainly wasn't self-supporting by the end of that, and it cost me about 10 grand to not be self-supporting. So well done, that's fantastic. And so what's life like now? So you've quit your job, you're working full-time online. What's day-to-day life like? How much do you need to work on your website portfolio?
Generally speaking, I work anywhere about 5 hours per day. It's generally how much I work each week. So
yeah, but I hear you take some pretty cool holidays too.
Oh yeah. We try and get out as much as we can. Usually at least 2 holidays a year. And yeah, we go to all over the world. I think we go to Sweden quite a bit, and went to Colombia just recently, and Mexico.
Yeah.
So.
And so what's it like in terms of travelling? What's this business like for you when you're away? How do you manage that? So I know a lot of you are thinking, okay, laptop lifestyle, be able to run your business from overseas, but you know, what happens when you're in Colombia with no internet?
Yeah, so it's a lot harder. For me personally, it works for some people, but for me personally, I really struggle to work while I'm on holiday.
I
want to just enjoy myself and take as much time off as I can from that stuff. Generally speaking, I maybe work 1 day a week, just to sort of stay on top of my emails and those sorts of things. Generally speaking, I like to just put it aside because I can. And then when I come back, there's usually a few fires to put out, but
that's okay. You've had fun.
Yeah, it's absolutely manageable.
Yeah, and I totally hear you with that one. That's the same with us. When I'm on holiday, we're out. We're not working. We're totally not working. So this is, you found this quite flexible, so you can adjust it. And I know that you are very passionate about some sports as well. So you get time to be able to do that.
Yeah. I do CrossFit, and I do a bunch of other stuff as well to keep myself fit. And
So
Yeah.
life's good. So what's coming next? Like, I know that you're about to embark on another big adventure. You're heading off overseas.
Yeah, so we are, my girlfriend and I are, and my dog, moving
Don't forget the dog.
indefinitely to Sweden next week, actually.
Woo!
So,
That's so exciting. So you can live anywhere in the world.
Yep.
And do what you like. Like be that person and run that business from anywhere you want to be.
Correct. All you need is internet and a computer.
Fantastic. Congratulations. That's so awesome. So what do you think? So, a lot of people embark on this journey and say they want to achieve the lifestyle that you've now achieved. What do you think the difference is? Because a lot of people don't make it. So what's the difference? Why have you got here, do you think?
For me personally, and I think the same applies for everyone, is consistency. You can't start something and fall off the wagon and decide that, it's no longer good for me, or you run into a roadblock, you encounter some failures along the way. When you hit those roadblocks, you need to know, okay, that's just a temporary thing. Work through it, learn from it, and then keep trying. Don't let it stop you, especially if you're motivated and you can see that it can work.
So do you feel confident about the future? Like going forward into this digital age, are you pretty confident in where you're going to head?
Yes. Yeah, I feel pretty confident about it, yeah.
Yeah, well, I can see it in you. There's some exciting things to come. So now your next goal too, are you going to grow your portfolio more, or what's your goal there?
Yeah, absolutely. Of course, I'm just going to always continue to grow my portfolio, or my investment portfolio, both websites and otherwise.
Yeah, so you can keep earning and well, we'd love to catch up with you again at some point and see how you're going and hear about the deals that you're doing. So if you'd be open to that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Fantastic. Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Joe, for sharing your story. It is wonderful to have you, and it has been amazing having you on the journey with us as well. Yeah. So, and we're always so excited when we have people like yourself who make it happen and really get out there and create the life that you want to create. So I'm glad we've been able to help you in some way to get those skills and tools to be able to do that.
Thank you so much, Liz.
Fantastic. Awesome.